All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Forex Talk Over Beer. Sorry, I'm so late today. I'm so late. I am sorry, guys. I do apologize. But the good news is we are finally here, okay? We're finally here. So let me just check a couple things very quickly. I was really rushing to get here to be with you guys. Just want to make sure I did post this. And if you guys are connected to the new Discord, I knew they had like a tampon Discord, like kind of an in between that somebody created. But I think that I'm not sure if it's ready yet, but I think that um, there's a new official one also for Sit and Forget. So I don't know. So if any of you have the contact there or you are in those Discord, send the link and make sure to let them know that we're getting started in just a second or so. Perfect. I think we're good here. Just double check here. Whoa. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Excelente. Okay, cool. Perfect. All right, so welcome to the new followers. Welcome back to the existing followers. So if you're new here, the concept of this show is pretty simple. We're going to discuss Forex. We're going to talk about winning trades, losing trades, trade ideas, answer your question, but we're also going to have a drink. Tonight, yes, I'm fully branded. This is not sponsored, but I really like this brand, which is Ranch brand here. So I got my hat, my shirt, and now we got the beer. Ranch brand, baby. Fully branded. Maybe a sponsor is gonna come out of this. I have no clue. No, I'm joking. I do this for fun, just because I don't know. I love the brand. Yeah, I think I'm an urban cowboy or something. In another life, I am for sure a cowboy. So anyways, first thing first, we're gonna crack this beer up, and after that, we're gonna talk about Forex. Okay. We're also gonna do the official cheers. By the way, if you just jump in, make sure to smash the like button. Say hi in the chat. I'm going to the chat right now. See what's up. I don't even know who's there right now. Like, hold on. Let me try to see. Yeah, I was so last minute, guys. I do apologize. I mean, like 30-minute late, I think. God damn. Yeah, it was crazy. Let me see here. No, that's not what I want to do. I want to do. All right, bear with me, guys. Usually I do this before the show. Okay. Now we're good. Perfect. Accent. Okay, I think now we're good. Okay, so slowly but surely people's gonna get on. Let's go see the chat before we get started. All right, we got Nuno. Let's fucking go, Nuno. How you doing? Hello. Let's go, Lorden. Hey, by the way, guys, I received tons of message about having a Discord. I'll see if Alex start a new one. I don't think there's a need for me to start one. But if we need to do one, I'll do one. But yeah, just letting you know, guys. All right, so we're about to get started. So now let's do the official cheers, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Cheers, guys. Happy Thursday night. Forex Talk Over Beer. Cheers. Okay, not bad. Actually, not bad. It's the first time, and this beer is for Ranch brand, but it's been brewed by Le Corsaire. All right, cool. All right, let's get started, guys. Enough talking, more trading. What about that? Let me remove my watch because, anyway, watch is dead right now. Need to charge the battery. Okay, let's get going. Boom. Dude, I'm so out of breath right now. Dude, I've been running around like crazy. All right, let's start with GJ because GJ, we had 2 scalp. We're going to discuss those right now. Boom. Wrong screen. Let me get this banner going here. Perfect. Okay, now we're good to go. By the way, guys, if you have any question, let me know. Let's start with GJ. So first thing first, I mean, on the long side, not long side, but I mean, on the swing side of GJ, there was no potential. So that's why I only focused on scalp. I mean, the weekly's bullish. Yeah, okay, cool. But we created a new higher high at the beginning of the week. And now we've got the retracement. The daily created also a new higher high. So now we've got the pullback. We're coming down to retest this daily area of interest right now. Daily area of interest right now. Perfect. So that's what we're doing right now. We are retesting this area on the daily area of interest. On the 4-hour, if you look here, that was Monday, right? Or Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. We did this live. Okay, we did this live on the live session. I told people, I was like, listen, guys, I'm gonna take that trade, and I took it live with you. So if you wanna see that, I took it live. We smashed TP live. That was Tuesday morning. Okay, so that was based on the dogtail setup. So this dogtail setup is pretty simple. So basically, the only thing I do is I go in sync with my 4-hour time frame. So at that moment, the time frame was bullish. Okay, so because we basically only had this, and over there we were still bullish, right? So at that moment we were still bullish. Great. So what I do is pretty simple. I wait for that 9 a.m. candle right here, this one. Okay, so I wait for the wick to go down. So we form the wick, and once we pass that wick right here, this is where I got the entry. I use a fixed 15 pip stop loss and went for this one was like a 1.4, I think, 2-1. Was it? Oh, now my stop is at break even, because automatically that when the trade goes to 11 pips profit, I put my stop at break even. This is a completely different strategy for this. And I used partial TP at 20 pips, which was like a 1.4 to 1, but the runner went to 30 pips, and that's where I closed everything. So that was pretty good. So at the end of the day, did like 1.5-ish profit on that one. I did the same thing today, actually, and yesterday, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, yesterday also, we did the same thing. It was this one here. My entry is not there because I didn't put it there, but I would need to put up my computer, which is in my backpack still, because I just got in. Okay, so I don't know the exact entry, but I can tell you this: it was the exact same idea. You can check story from previous day. So basically, what I did is the same exact idea. Use a fixed 15 pip stop loss. Boom, something like this. Boom. And yeah, same did for the wick to be formed to the top. Once we passed that, boom, I dropped it, and I went also for 20 pips on that one, if I'm not wrong. I would have to check my MT4 once again. I don't want to say anything official right now, but it was the idea. And today was the same thing. You can go check my story. The story is still active because I just posted it, because I completely forgot to post it this morning. But same freaking idea this morning. So where's that candle? Right here. So same thing. This candle right here. Boom. Waited for the wick up. When we passed, boom, took the entry. But that one, I was late. So I was on the phone with a customer, so I was not looking at the chart actively. I heard the alert and I was like, shit. So I ran to the computer, but it was already like 3-4 pips down. So I took the entry a little lower than what I wanted, but still was able to secure 20 pips on that one. The runner, where I think I closed at 25 because I had to go. Because I had a meeting. So I did close at 25, and that's it. So those three was 3 winners, and that gave me like approximately like one. I would need to do the math. I don't want to say anything stupid here to you guys, but it would be like very close to 1.5 on each. So that would be like 4.5 so far, just with that setup, which is kind of cool. Cheers, guys. All right, so don't forget to smash the like button, because we're late. People don't know that I'm live. It will really help if you guys do smash this like button. Now, if you have any question, also, like, don't be shy, guys. Now let's go to AUD/USD. All right, so we got a loss on that one. So let me show you one critical, super duper important thing to do and know. I kind of didn't respect one of my rules like in full, and it's funny because we discussed that. I think that was last week. We were discussing like where you get most of your losses. And for sure, it will be like when you're not respecting one of your rules. So that's what happened. Okay, so let me show you. So AUD/USD, super clean, super nice, bearish move. If you look here, we're bearish on AUD USD since last, like 2 years ago, like August 2022. We are bearish since then. All right, cool. So now if we go down to the daily, if you look to the daily here, boom. All right, so price went down, right? We got to pull back inside of the daily golden zone. We went actually to retest that daily area of interest, which is perfect. And we finally had a daily bearish engulfing, which is beautiful. So awesome so far. The 4 hour time frame, awesome. Also, we also had the break to the downside. So we flip bearish by breaking under that support. We have the pullback inside that H4 golden zone. We got a doji, we got a H4 engulfing. Everything was there, everything was there except one thing. Okay, except one thing. Oh, we got recently. Oh man, the man I need to speak with ASAP. How you doing? Comment ça va, man? J'espère que ça va bien. Merci pour les likes. Puis, ouais, ça urge, là. Ça urge big time. Faut vraiment qu'on se parle. Ouais. ASAP. Fait que là, Mino, tu me diras, c'est quand t'es dispo, même au téléphone un peu, là, aussi pour ce qu'on a actuellement. Puis, il faudrait qu'on s'en compte aussi pour ce qu'on a dans le futur. Mais ouais. Là, j'attends quand tu dis. Ouais, c'est ça. C'est moi aussi, j'ai oublié de te revenir. Là, fait que c'est my bad. Mais cheers. All right. So, merci d'avoir fait un coucou. Bien apprécié. All right, guys. So, AUD/USD. Santé. Merci, merci. Okay, so like I said, everything was there. Everything was there. We got the pullback like the H4. We got the H4 engulfing. Everything was there. Except one thing. One important thing. If you look, the 1 hour didn't flip bearish. And this, I said it was like not following one of my rule, but in all honesty, it was like me being distracted. Okay, I actually didn't look. I kind of looked, but switched very quick to the 1 hour, and I was looking at the 30 minute to get the perfect entry, and I was late. So I was like, I don't know. I was doing two things at the same time. I feel stupid when I do shit like this. The only thing I saw is on the 30 minute. I saw like this huge wick rejection, bearish engulfing. We were inside that H4 golden zone. We have like head and shoulders on the did I say head and shoulders like the shampoo? Fuck. I'm so used to call it the shampoo pattern. But anyways, yeah. So we had this. I'm like, all right, so we got an engulfing bearish. All right, cool. I'm in. So I'm in. Price goes in profit a bit, comes back up, and when we coming back up, I'm like, what the fuck? What's going on? And I flip back to the 1 hour. I'm like, oh, Sasha, you're so fucking dumb. Like the 1 hour didn't flip bearish. I'm like, oh shit. So I am close, and the reason why is, guys, you listen, Sasha, you need to be penalized for your stupidness, and you're just gonna let it fucking smash your TP, and you're gonna be penalized. So I had like I was so sure that this shit was going down. I was dumb. I was not dumb. Everything was nice, so I went with 2%. So I went with 2%. Thank God for GJ. I was up 4.5 total with those caps. So now I'm down to 2.5, which is part of the game. So this, you see, those kind of things can be avoided by being focused and not distracted. And, you should have a checklist. That should help. I should have one, but I used to have one, but now I don't use it anymore. But anyways, all right. So you guys got that. I think that was good. The rest was there. It's just like, fuck, man. It was a little detail. So you see, trading is not one thing. It's many, many, many things all together that makes a great trade. It's not because, okay, one thing, I'm doing this. Oh, Sasha said this, or Alex said that, or Raja said that, or this guy said that. And okay, we need to do this exactly. Like, it's a lot of things all put in together that makes sense. Okay. So if you're missing one thing, the result cannot be the same. It's like I always gave the same analogy. If you want to do the best spaghetti sauce out there, and I give you the recipe and all the ingredient you need, but you're like, this day I'm not going to put this ingredient, and I'm not going to put this one, and I'm going to cook it a little longer. Are you going to get the same result? The answer is no. So anyways, Oh well. No. Sorry, man. I missed the question here. Do you live in Canada? Totally. Yes, I am in Montreal, Canada. Yes, sir. Bonjour à tous. Um, let's go. Let's go. Took the same AU. Yeah. Goddamn. Um, Tante. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. So let's move on to the next one, which is ADGPY. I didn't took any trade on this one. So let's see what we got, because I was looking at that trade idea here. So we got ADGPY bullish on the weekly time frame. If you go down to the daily, we coming down to retest this previous structure right here inside that daily golden zone, retesting major QP, but we did close under. The good news though is we got a doji here, which is usually a sign for price to coming back up. Let's go take a look at the 4-hour. 4-hour is now bearish. Yes. So 4-hour is bearish. Okay, cool. So 4-hour is bearish. Yeah. So we got our lower high here and our lower low here. If price does a lower low here, that would be best. Actually, it would be great to have something like this, something like this, coming back above, break, retest, go to the upside. Okay, so that would be the best. If not, we're gonna have to either break above here if we don't do a lower low. If we do create a lower low, we're gonna have to break over here to flip bullish. So this is not ready, but look like it's setting up nicely. So we're not gonna pass too much time on this one. But it does look pretty interesting for the next coming days or week. Now let's go to NZD ladies and gentlemen. Cheers. All right. So, okay, looking at this, we got a weekly bullish. We got a pullback daily. Daily is bullish. We're coming down to, we broke that daily area of interest. We broke the major QP. This doesn't look good. 4 hours bearish. We just created a new lower low. All right. So this, we got the weekly bullish still, the daily bullish, 4 hour bearish. Yeah, okay. I'm going to keep it up there because I want to follow up on it, but this doesn't sound super interesting. It's the same as AUD GPY. So we need to wait. We need to wait for price to break either above here or create a lower low, break above here, and retest to go to the upside. Something like that. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. If I'm going too fast, guys, please stop me, ask questions. That's the best way to learn. Weekly here on CAD GPY, we got a weekly bullish. We have, and we're coming down here to retest weekly previous structure, which is also in sync with the daily area of interest. We just discussed that, I think. Did we? No. Okay. So we're coming down here to retest previous, not previous, but daily area of interest, which is also a major QP right here. Let's change that to major QP right here. Let's change coordinate. Let's put 0, 0. Perfect. Here we go. Okay, cool. So this looked good. This looked good. Weekly, daily. All right. Now 4 is bearish, obviously, because we're getting the pullback. And this is good. We got a new lower low. And we got a new lower high here, which is great. So same idea as NZD and AUD GPY. So same thing here. So those three looks pretty much similar right now. Okay. Still looking interesting. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So now let's get this. GA. GA, guys. GA. Do we have anything interesting here? Not anymore, I think. We got the weekly now bearish. I mean, look at this. So we went bullish here. We're still bullish, creating a high. Boom. We went bearish. We retested this and ready to go down. Did we miss the move here? Let's take a look at the daily. Let's take a look at the daily. What happened here? So the daily. So I want to see. Did I miss this? Was I distracted here? So here we're bullish. Now we're bearish. We're still bearish. We're still bearish. Now we're bullish. Now we're bearish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Holy shit. And now we're bearish. Now we're bullish. Holy shit. This pair was all over the place. We're still bullish here, here. Now bearish. And now bullish. What the fuck? Okay, so yeah, okay. Clearly I didn't miss anything. It was just like all over the freaking place. So now this thing is bullish. Wow. Okay. So let's change that to the high. And here, oh, actually, we just broke under. Now we're bearish. Sorry. So we're back down to bearish now. Holy. Daily lower low and daily lower low. God damn. Okay, so now we're bearish. We're bearish here. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Can we do something with this? 4 hour. 4 hours bullish. Okay, so I think now if the 4 hour goes down bearish, we'll wait for the pullback and maybe we can have a nice move down. Okay, so J is not done. Let's go to Euro GBP. Cheers. All right, so we got the weekly here bullish. We have the daily bearish. Okay, so this one is for a day trade. Okay, so that's why it's flagged blue here to the side. This one is for a day trade. So we got a pullback inside that H4 golden zone. H4 is still bearish. Awesome. Let's take a look at 1 hour. 1 hour is now bullish. And perfect. So I'm going to place an alert here. That's going to say H1 going bearish. I'm also going to place another alert here that's going to say H1 creating a new higher high, because I want to be notice. How the fuck do you say that? Anyways, notify. Yeah, I want to be. Ooh, that was hard. I want to be notified if we're creating a new higher high, so I can adjust my chart. Creating new higher high on H1. Perfect. Awesome. I'm actually going to place it on top. Cool. All right, so that makes sense. NZD USD. Let's see. Weekly bearish. What am I saying? Bullish. Whoop. All right, we're bullish here. We destroyed the golden zone. Are we respecting the safety net here? So we're not respecting the safety net. So that's a good opportunity for maybe doing a day trade based on the daily being bearish, having a nice engulfing here. We are still bearish on the daily. We went inside the daily golden zone. The 4 hour is, holy shit, 4 hour went bearish. I missed that. So let's put that 4 hour low, and 4 hour lower high. And let's see where are we at. So right now we are at that safety net. So let's see if we can get like a bearish H4 candle closing back under here. And maybe we can take a day trade here. Let's see. So far the H1 is bullish. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to place an alert here saying H1. Oops. H1. Yeah. Going bearish. And boom. I'm going to do another one here. We're going to do H1 creating new. All right. Okay, so that's good. Okay, I think that's good. That's good. Awesome. GU was looking nice at one point, but now, if I'm not wrong, hold on. I think there's a message here. Is it? Oh, Bilal. Good evening, Sasha. Good evening, Bilal. Cheers, man. Bilal, is it you that's having problem to get the course on Teachable? Oh no, that's somebody, that's Marnus. Yeah, I need to speak with Teachable because he's trying to access the course video, and I don't know why it's not working. So I need to work on this. Actually, I'm gonna move my course to another platform. Right now, it was supposed to be frozen. That course, it was not supposed to be able to subscribe, but I don't know why some, like, not why, but how someone was able to subscribe. Anyways, so I need to speak with Teachable. The course is gonna be probably going back on again, maybe in a month or so. So I'll let you know. I'm gonna be updating some video also. But yeah, I'll keep you posted, guys. Anyways, so let's get back to this. So we got a weekly here. What got a weekly bearish? Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is bullish now because we close above. No, we close above here. That elbow 4 hours, but yeah, okay. So GU is now all over the place. Not interested. Okay, so instead of going all through those one, because like I'm so late right now. But I want to know like which pair are you guys looking at, and we're gonna break it down for you guys. So let me know which pair are you guys looking at. Let's see. Let's see if we can. Where can I access it? Oh yeah, sorry. It was just like so I missed. I confused you with somebody else. I do apologize. Um, yeah, the course is it was supposed, but not supposed. It is on Teachable. But it was supposed to be paused because I have no time. I actually closed my Discord because I have no time to take care of people right now. So that's why I'm not taking any students. Because when I do take students in, I want to be able to spend good time, quality time with them, be able to answer all the questions. So, anyways, so this guy now I'm gonna give him my private message because he already paid the course and everything. So he's gonna have, actually he's gonna be VIP. He's gonna have to access to me like in full. So which is good for him. But yeah, technically now the course is paused. But it's gonna come back in like 3 to 4 weeks, I would guess. Can you check UC, please? Yes, sure. USD cat, right? Yeah, the infamous, dirty, ugliest pair in the market. But let's take a look at it. That's why it's flag red. It's this pair has disease. I'm joking with you, bro. All right, so let's take a look at it. Um, Sorry, man. I say a lot of stupid shit. Okay, let's take a look. Weekly. All right, so weekly is bullish, right? So we are bullish actually since September 2022. Okay, so almost 2 year bullish, but we've been ranging in that range, quite a big range. Don't get me wrong, but still ranging. We're not creating higher high or lower low or higher low in weekly. On the daily, we were ranging for a while. Now we create a new high high. We are bullish on the daily. We're come back here inside the daily golden zone, which is perfect. This shit is like a magnet. And also those wick retested daily area of interest, which is perfect. And ready to push up. Now, if you look at a 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame went bearish to have that pullback, obviously. So we went bearish, bearish, bullish, boom, bearish, bearish, boom, bullish, and now we got the pullback. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here, let's see what we got here. We're right at the safety net right now. Okay, so right now at the safety net. So for me, it's the last point where can be still interested. If we do break the safety net, which is the 764, I'm not so much interested. Let's see on the 1 hour. So 1 hour is bearish. So 1 hour is bearish here. We're about to create a new lower low. So if we do so, that would be best for you because we're gonna have a pullback here, breaking. So if you break above here now, retest there to go up, that would make sense. I'm personally not interested in USD CAD because I just hate this pair. So I will not trade it. Even if someone like pay me like million might be negotiable, but yeah, I just don't want to touch this pair. It just sucks. Like so many news that can fucked up this pair. Just I hate it so bad. And 30 minutes the same thing. So 30 minutes looks good. 30 minute right now is yeah, it's definitely bearish now. So let's do this. Let's zoom this. So this is 30-minute bear. Boom. So once again, you want to wait for that break of switch of structure here on the lower time frame. But it does look good. It does look good, guys. Cheers, guys. Okay. So what else? So it does. God damn it! Am I drunk or what? Is this answer your question, bud? Is this a good breakdown for you? Because basically, what you want is polarity, waiting for the 1 hour. 1 hour, you want to create like this would be the best scenario. You wait, pull back, retest, grab the entry. You're looking to grab the entry somewhere in here. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. And don't get me wrong, there's people getting entries like as soon as you break here above and they get in. It's not bad, but most of the time, after creating a new higher high, you will have a higher low. Okay, and this is where you want to enter. And you see now we just closed as we speak. We just closed bearish here, so now we have our new lower low. We can actually update this live. So hold on, I think there's a question here. So Bilal, I was having trouble sending a chart to the chat and it's not showing up. Is there a trick to it? Yes. So YouTube stop you from posting links. So the thing you have to do is actually you're gonna click on this little camera button here. I don't know if you can see it. Oh no, you cannot see it because there's a Black Bull logo. But you have a camera button. You click on it, and you will have copy links. Okay, so copy link. You do that, and you go paste it. You're only gonna send in the chat this part. So the \x to the rest. So only this part. Copy paste this in the chat, and I will be able to have access to your chart. Okay. So that's the best way to do it. So let's go update the 30-minute also. Meanwhile, so I'll wait for Bilal's chart. So here now we are, boom, bearish. Cool. So I think that makes sense for USD CAD. Any other pair you guys looking at? I know I'm waiting for Bilal's chart. Man, how do you like the wrench burn? Love it. Oh, it was USD CAD. I was late. Oh, no problem, bro. No problem. No problem. You know me. I don't stress. I'm like, life is good. What else? Any other pair, guys? Doo-doo-doo. Any other one? Because we went through all of those. So let's see. I just want to see if you have any question about anything. So let me know. Let me know, guys. No other question, no other chart. You guys are sure? You guys are. Thank you for the emoji coming down like those hearts. Okay. Any other question? Let me know, guys. Let me know. You guys are good? All right. So what am I looking now for the next couple of days? Mostly it's gonna be like those pairs here. They're kind of not ready yet. Of course, GG, I'm gonna keep scalping it because it's been working great. Don't forget to smash the goddamn like button, guys. Are you okay? Hold on, let me see. Are you still opening up the Discord? I might. Like I said, I'm just waiting to see. Like if Alex do open one, I don't think we need another one. But if he doesn't, I might open one just to help you out, guys. If not, I'm gonna reopen it a Discord, of course, for my students back, because the one I had, I did close it. Um, it got acting noise, so we got a lot of bullshit going on in that Discord. So I'm gonna need someone to take care of that Discord in the future, but that's another subject. But yeah, I might open one just to receive charts, help you answer your questions. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see about that. So I'm just waiting to see what's going on with, because I don't want to like I don't I don't think we need two Discord. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. But yes, if we need one, I'll do one. Okay. I don't mind. Like I said, I just like helping. So let's see, guys. What else? What I was saying. Yeah, I was saying ADSD. Yeah. So this one now, the trade idea is not completely. Oh shit! Yeah, now it's gone. So if we do break and close above here, yeah, the trade idea is going to be gone now. ADGPY and NZD and CADGPY are the one I'm going to be watching, but they're not even close to be ready. There's not much being ready right now. Maybe those two day trade, but that's about it. GJ tomorrow, 4 hour candle, the dogtail setup at 9 a.m. That's the one I'm going to be probably trading. But except that, doesn't look like much of opportunity for tomorrow. It's going to be probably next week. So thank you so much for being here tonight, guys. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for being here once again. We're gonna be live Tuesday morning, 6. What am I saying? 7:30 a.m. ish. So you definitely want to activate notification because I rarely go on exactly at the same time. Like tonight. Tonight I was like so late. I was like 30 minutes late. I was jamming traffic. So definitely activate notification. Smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on Tuesday morning, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good evening. Chill and trade safe. All right, take care.